but in reality, she doesn't even know me. Can you imagine that in reality? You gonna do all of this in your mind, and in reality, she don't even know your friend. Jesus.
I know you see me on the come up. Big girl with big dreams and big drip. Talk is cheap, but please.
Hey friend, hey, welcome or welcome back to my channel. I am Shakita D if you are new. And welcome to the Wreath Galore Open Collaboration. I was invited to this collaboration by my personal interior decorator at home with Lisa, who is one of the hosts of this collaboration. And it is also co-hosted by the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. We also have a number of co-hosts, including myself, and they all will be definitely listed down below, linked down below. All of their channels will be linked down below in the description. But before we get into this Wreath DIY, you guys, a message from our sponsors. Hey, we got new glasses. They come in a hard protective case and a microfiber cleansing cloth. The frames are lightweight and durable and extremely stylish. The red color and the bow detailing on the side, mwah, chef's kiss. It's giving very much so who's that girl. We're wearing the style number BOW169C1. Now mine are Blu-ray glasses because I spent endless hours editing and not to mention the scrolling. If you need your prescription put in, they got you, friend. Use my code for 50% off and the link is in the bio. Now don't forget to use that promo code for 50% off of your purchase. My promo code will be good for 1 year, you guys. And again, thank you so much, Firmoo, for sponsoring this video. Now, you guys, I have some supplies here. I don't know where I'm going at with this. I'm gonna put my creative hat on and we're just gonna flow with things, okay? I do have an idea of a pompous wreath and I hope that I can pull it off. Now, the Dollar Tree had these smaller wreath rings, and I thought it would be cool to get them, but I also got the bigger ones because I didn't know if I was going to want a bigger or not. So I think I'm going to go with the bigger ones and save the smaller ones for another DIY project at a later date, because I want to hang these on my cabinets. I've been seeing the girls on TikTok go crazy hanging these wreaths for any season, okay, on the cabinetry, and it looks amazing. So I want to try that myself. I do have some, are we calling this velour or velcro? I'll say it's like a suede or velour mini pumpkins. We have them in this beautiful burnt orange color, which is one of my favorites. We also have them in this gorgeous green color, which I thought would mix really well with that orange color together. Like, how cute is this together? Like, you can't tell me that this is not cute together, you guys. And then we also have some larger fuzzy pumpkins, you guys, also from the Dollar Tree, okay? So the pumpkins and the wreath rings are from the Dollar Tree. I have some tape, have my handy dandy hot glue gun, some scissors, some glue sticks, of course, from the Dollar Tree, and my pompous, you guys. Now, I did spray these with hairspray so that they won't shed much. However, they are still shedding. And I'm just going to do what I can to try to prevent them from shedding any longer, especially because they're going to be hanging on my cabinets over top of where I cook. I'm kind of skeptical about it, but we're going to go with it anyway, right? I also purchased these removable hooks from the Dollar Tree in order to be able to hang my wreaths on my cabinets. And we also have some ribbon, 18 feet of sheer ribbon. Now, you guys, to get my creative juices flowing, I like to listen to some oldie but goodies. I think that they have, I think that it promotes inspiration for me, as well as life lessons when you just sit and you listen to what they say and you be like, oh, Okay, that's what your mother was talking about back in the day. It really was, friend. But without further ado, you guys probably won't be able to hear it. I may, you know, sing a tune or two. Don't pay me no mind. I'll try to focus the camera on my hands. Oh, I almost forgot, you guys. I have these napkins from Amazon. Now, they are very inexpensive, you guys. I think I paid like $5 for a pack of 12. Don't eat me up. I'm going with it. I'm using what I have to create what I want, okay? Let's get to it. Now, what Pandora station should we play? Because Pandora be jamming. I wish YouTube would just let y'all listen to the music. What's this cool in the game? Celebration. Okay. Play it on Google. Got you guys. I have some wire. What do we call this? Floral wire.
From my mama, and I can make you better, boy. Take this risk if you wanna. A real lover girl, I'll give you all the feels. Step into my world. I promise you'll love it here with me. You know this film energy. When I feel safe, when I feel hurt, when I can trust you at your word, that makes me feel soft. I'm just a girl ready to nurture you. When I feel safe, when I feel hurt, when I can trust you at your word, that makes me feel soft. I'm just a girl ready to nurture you. Feel energy.
Yo, this is one of the greatest songs ever. Soon we'll be married and have a family. Oh yeah. Oh, Paul. Y'all remember the movie? Every night on my knees I pray. Dear Lord, hear my plea. Don't ever let another take a love from me. But in reality, she doesn't even know me. Can you imagine that in reality? You gonna do all of this in your mind. In reality, she don't even know your friend. Jesus, help me, Lord.
Get out the way. Who got a watch? Who got the time? I'm raising the clock. Even in my feelings, grind don't stop. Got big dreams, want big rocks. I got plans, you got talk. Heard it's real cheap, but it's really gon' cost. I'm trying to get these ends, build empires with my friends. I'm about handling my business. No time for stress over bullshit. You think success is an option? I'm trying to get this shit poppin' like woo. Big moves, my rules. Y'all heavy be on the tweeting. I'll disappear a whole season like woo. Who said they looking for me? I'ma make you wait for it. Spend a few racks on a shopping spree. Yeah, I'ma make you pay for it. Tell them give it to me when I want it, please. Wait till I leg for it. Countdown for me. 12, 11, 10, 9. Beat that, I'ma make you wait for it. On my time.
Oh, we have these 2 wraps. My OCD kind of got to me, so I had off camera started pairing the pumpers together because it was just a whole bunch of everything going on. So then we'll start to get into place our pumpers, and I'll be right back.
It's my time. Hey. You was for you, I was for us. You do the math, shit don't add up. Even on my worst day, down on my luck. I got the sauce, I'ma always come up. I tried it your way, that was a dub. I'm taking the wheel now, cause I trust me. I'ma go get these millions. Host a
protecting my peace for so long. A little too good, now I'm solo. Watching reruns of the same shows. Almost every party I'm a no-show.
Alright you guys, this is how our wreaths are coming so far. Well, it's complete at this point, but I love the color combination of the pumpkins as well as the pumpas. I will say though, this pumpas is extremely messy. If I would have had more pumpas, I would have made full pumpas wreaths and not even added the pumpkins. The pumpas is very messy, however it is so beautiful, you guys. If I could find something that's not going to shed like this was shedding, then I would definitely do it all over again. And the shedding continued to bother me, you guys, so I let them sit. Well, I sprayed them again with hairspray and I let them sit overnight.
I spent so much time daydreaming, so now I don't know how I'm feeling. Don't know who is the real me. Might need my help and I thought I needed. I can see it. Need more healing, more believing, less deceiving. I don't go out nearly as much as I should. Barely know the way around my neighborhood. I'm ruminating, I feel no good.
So you guys, this is the finished look of our wreaths. I'm so ecstatic about how they came out. I wasn't sure without them being hung up, but once I hung them up, you guys, they are gorgeous. And it adds just the right amount of sprinkle of fall to my home. Look at this. Now the work on these wreaths are not for the weak, you guys. Shout out to all of my professional wreath makers. Okay, it takes time to create these things, and I'm absolutely in love. Once again, you guys, shout out to the hosts of this collaboration. They all will be linked down below in the description bar, you guys. Make sure you go and check out their content. I'm sure that they have an abundance of wreath offerings for you guys. Also, you guys, as for the front door, I still have this beautiful wreath that I got last fall from At Home with Lisa. It is in excellent condition, you guys. It still has all of the pieces. Everything is where it was when she shipped it to me. And all I have to do is a little fluff. And I know she probably fussing me out like, girl, fluff the wreath, fluff the wreath. I'm a fluff it, Lisa, I promise. I promise I'm a fluff it. But you guys, I really enjoyed this. This really took some work, but it was creative work. A glass of wine and a DIY is always a good time, okay? I love it. Last but not least, you guys, definitely check out Firmoo. Use my code for your 50% off. You guys, I'm loving my Firmoo glasses. I really am. How stinking cute are these? And I'm getting into red, and red is giving me fall too. I'm just here for the fall of the things of it all, okay? I thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure that you go ahead and share this out with someone who may like this content, okay? And if you have been here thus far and you enjoyed yourself, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, friends. Subscribe. Until next time, you guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you later.
I way I'm adaptable. Let it go.